Have you ever wished you had better money skills? Do you want to learn how to grow your finances? In today's video, I'll share 16 life-changing financial lessons. These lessons helped me become more secure and confident with money. Let's dive right in. First, Lesson 1. Save for an emergency. Life is unpredictable. An emergency fund can prevent financial disaster. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This fund acts as a safety net when times get tough. Next is Lesson 2. Spend less than you earn. This simple habit is crucial. Track your spending and create a budget. When you know your limits, you avoid debt and stress. Third, Lesson 3. Invest early and often. The earlier you invest, the more your money grows. Compound interest can become your best friend. Even small amounts can add up over time. Now let's cover Lesson 4. Understand the difference between needs and wants. Use this knowledge to prioritize your spending. Needs are essential items. Wants are nice, but not necessary. Fifth, Lesson 5. Avoid lifestyle inflation. As you earn more, resist the urge to spend more. Stick to your budget and save the extra income. This will help you build greater wealth. Moving on to Lesson 6. Ditch high-interest debt. Debt can hold you back from financial goals. Focus on paying off debts like credit cards first. This will save you money in the long run. Next is Lesson 7. Educate yourself about money. Knowledge is power when it comes to finances. Read books, attend workshops, and follow trusted financial experts. The more you know, the better choices you make. Lesson 8 is set clear financial goals. Write them down and make them specific. Whether saving for a home, a car, or travel, clear goals guide your financial decisions. Let's talk about Lesson 9. Use financial tools. Apps and spreadsheets help you track income and expenses. Choose what works for you to make managing money easier. Now Lesson 10. Invest in yourself. Skills and knowledge can boost your earning potential. Take courses, learn new skills, and enhance your career to bring in more income. Moving forward to Lesson 11. Network with others. Surround yourself with financially savvy people. Their support and advice will inspire and empower your journey. Lesson 12 is be patient and consistent. Building wealth takes time. Don't expect overnight success. Stay committed to your goals and you will see results. Next is Lesson 13. Create multiple income streams. Relying on one source of income can be risky. Explore side hustles, investments, or passive income. More streams mean more financial security. Lesson 14 involves protecting your assets. Insurance can safeguard your finances. Health, auto, and home insurance are important. Ensure you have the coverage you need. 15th, Lesson 15, review and adjust your budget regularly. Life changes, and so do expenses. Periodically, look over your budget to adjust as needed. Staying updated keeps you on track. Finally, Lesson 16, give back. Helping others feels good and strengthens communities. Whether it's time or donations, giving back enriches our lives and reminds us of the importance of money. To summarize, these 16 financial lessons transformed my life. By saving for emergencies, investing early, and educating yourself, you can build a secure financial future. Remember to live below your means, set goals, and stay committed. Are you ready to take charge of your financial journey? Start applying these lessons today and watch your life change. Hit subscribe and join our community for more insightful videos. Thank you for watching.